Hi, today I'm doing my Saving with Friends binder. And I have 2 5s in here and some 1s. And my 3-sided die. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. That's the first 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1. It's the last 5. 1, 2, 3. 2. And a couple more. 3. I have 2 left. So first is, oh wait, where did it end? I'll have to watch, I think. Yeah. First is my Halloween cow, and it got, I'm making these all 2. 5, 6, 7. So 2, 4, 6. And then next is from Windmill Ridge Budget some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6. And then Save with Kitty from Cindy. I think it's Cindy G Budgets now. 1, 2, 3. So I'll do 2.5. And then Saving with Tiffany. 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 3. And then this is my unicorn one. 1. And then Disney Savings from MS Mom Budgets. Got 2. And then this is a new one from Anna Banana Budgets. And I got 6. So 2, 4, 6. And then Alley on Earth, roll the dice, got $1. And then Every Journey Needs First Step. These are 2 from Always Angela XOXO, $3. So 2 and 1. And then Reindeer Relays from Money Boss in the Making. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my ghost got 2. And then last up from Budgets with Elma, got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all the money. And I'll be back Wednesday with my A5 binder. I hope you guys are having a great week. I'll see you in the next video.